Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn or demonstrate an anaerobic respiration. For that, requirements: germinating seeds, a test tube, mercury, potassium crystals, and petri dish. Take few germinating pea or bean seeds and remove their seed coats. Put them in a test tube filled with mercury. Close the mouth of the test tube with your thumb and invert it in beaker containing mercury. So we have to close the mouth of the test tube with our thumb and invert it in beaker containing mercury. Remove your thumb carefully and take care that no air enters the test tube. Seeds being lighter than mercury will rise to the closed upper end of the test tube. Let this apparatus be put as such for some time without any disturbance. After some time, the mercury level in the test tube goes down. Before the level was on top, now this level has decreased. Now introduce some potassium hydroxide crystals in the above test tube. After a while, the mercury level will go up to the former position. The lowering of mercury level in test tube indicates that the gas has been released by germinating seeds. Only CO2 gas may be absorbed by potassium hydroxide crystals. Hence, the seeds have released carbon dioxide under the anaerobic conditions. Now, children, today's assignment, children, please copy the questions and do both the given questions in your exercise book. Now, these are sample questions and these questions have been solved. In order to study and prove a particular physiological process in plants, the following experiment was set up. Study the name, then answer the following questions that follows. Name the physiological process being studied. What is the function of soda lime in bottle A? Why is lime water placed in bottle B? What change would you expect to observe in bottle D? Represent the biological process name in 1 above in the form of chemical equation. In order to obtain accurate results, the bottle C should be covered with a black cloth. Why? If bottle C filled with 3-hole rubber stopper and a thermometer was introduced in such a way that its bulb reaches close to the germinating seed, what would you observe and why? Next one is adjoining figure shows a certain experiment which is performed of germinating seeds. What does this experiment demonstrate? That is anaerobic respiration. Read out the figure as it have been observed at the start of the experiment. Write the chemical equation for the process stated above. This is another question. Please copy the questions. These are very important sample questions for your exam. So class, this is all we'll be learning for today.